wondering why some people seem to get rich quickly, while others spend their entire lives stuck in financial struggle. The truth is, the secret to escaping poverty isn't just about earning more money. It's about how you manage, multiply, and create multiple streams of income. Many people believe that increasing their salary is the key to financial freedom, but that's a misconception. If you don't know how to make your money work for you, you'll remain trapped in the same cycle of financial hardship. Today, I want to share with you the powerful strategy to change your financial trajectory, how to build multiple income streams, and achieve financial independence. Let's dive straight into it. Changing your mindset. This is the first step to wealth. If you want to transform your life, you must first change your mindset and adopt the mindset of wealthy people. Let me make one thing clear. Money is not earned, it is created. The truly wealthy don't rely on just one source of income. Millionaires and billionaires typically have several ways of making money simultaneously. The first step to wealth is changing your mindset. It's not just about how much money you have, but how you think and make financial decisions. If you continue to believe that the only way to make money is by trading time for a salary, you're setting yourself up for financial stagnation. Successful people view money as a tool to generate more money. Rather than relying on a paycheck, they invest, create businesses, and build assets that generate passive income. Research has shown the 3 categories of people when it comes to money. Now, this is broken down into how people approach money. There are 3 types of people. A group 1, those who work for money. They trade time for money in traditional jobs and rely entirely on their salary. If they lose their job, they have no income. Group 2, those who make money work for them. These individuals invest, build businesses, and create passive income. Even when they're not actively working, their money is still working for them. Group 3, those who waste money and live in debt. They spend more than they earn by things they don't need to impress people who don't care and never get out of financial trouble. If you want to escape poverty, you need to transition from Group 1 to Group 2. This means learning to create multiple sources of income and making your money work for you. A very important secret of most millionaires is the ability to have multiple income streams. It's not that they earn a lot of money from a single source. Most millionaires have multiple income streams. They follow a simple principle: never depend on just one source of income. Think about it. If you only have one way of making money, you're always one step away from financial disaster. But the rich, they create different ways to earn money at the same time. And you can do the same. Yes, you can also create multiple income streams by also affiliate marketing. By this, you earn money by promoting and recommending products online. You can also try investments. This way you put your money into stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency. Also, there is content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast that generates income through ads and partnerships. There are online businesses, that is, creating an e-commerce store, sell digital products, or offer online services. Most important one is selling your knowledge. If you have expertise, you can sell courses or do mentoring services. The key is to diversify and have several ways of earning money. The more income streams you have, the more stable your financial future becomes. Now that you know the importance of having multiple income streams, let's talk about how to put this into action. Step 1, identify your skills and opportunities, because everyone has something they can monetize. Maybe you're good at fixing things or writing or speaking. These are all potential income sources. Step 2 is to start small and scale up. Don't quit your job just yet. Begin by creating an extra income source alongside your main job, and as it grows, expand your possibilities. It's important to know that you should always reinvest your earnings. Many people start making extra money, but spend it all on unnecessary things. If you want to escape poverty, you need to reinvest that money to accelerate your financial growth. Also, stay focused and disciplined because building multiple income streams takes time and effort. There will be challenges, but success comes to those who persist. Now, let's talk about building wealth quickly. This is the power of small investments. Some believe that wealth creation requires a large amount of capital to begin with, but that's simply not true. Today, you can start investing with small amounts, whether it's in stocks, real estate, or even by starting a digital business. The key isn't how much money you start with, but developing the habit of reinvesting part of your earnings to multiply your results over time. Also, avoiding financial mistakes that keeps you in poverty. Now, this is an essential factor because many people try to get rich but remain stuck in a cycle of poverty because they make poor financial decisions. You need to avoid common mistakes like spending everything you earn, living for appearances, and accumulating debt, not educating yourself about money, and waiting for the perfect time to start. Avoiding these mistakes is already half the battle when it comes to escaping poverty. Always create a wealth creation plan. Today, I have put together an example of a plan that can help take control of your financial future. Identify your skills and research additional income opportunities. Cut unnecessary expenses and set aside a small amount for investment. Launch your first extra income source. Whether it's a side business, service, or investment, start small and build momentum. Expand your income source and reinvest some of your earnings to accelerate growth. Create a second income stream to diversify your earnings. Continue to avoid spending on unnecessary things. Strengthen your income sources and automate processes to make money while you sleep. With 2 or 3 income streams running, continue to reinvest and learn more about money. By this point, you will have drastically changed your financial mindset and be well on your way to financial freedom. Always remember that your future is in your hands and building wealth is a process, not an event. It requires changing your mindset, creating multiple income streams, investing wisely, and avoiding financial mistakes. Anyone can do this, regardless of where you're starting from. Will you continue down the same path, or will you take action to build your financial freedom today? If you love this video, click the like button and subscribe for more videos.